Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again and to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube editor to edit your video right inside the YouTube studio. You know, sometimes after producing a video and uploading a video, you may discover after some days that maybe there is a particular portion of it that you would like to cut out. Sometimes there may be something like a particular portion where we have a time lag. You see this place, for instance, no audio will be seen here, for instance. Now, if you want to cut out these places, or maybe a particular place that maybe will cause you to have a copyright, or may cause you to have some YouTube infringement, you would not like to delete this video entirely because it's going to cause you to lose all your views and begin afresh. There is a feature that YouTube has produced, and that is about video editor. I'm going to teach you how to use it today and be able to work around your videos, your old videos, and cut out the unwanted parts. Let's begin afresh. On your YouTube channel studio, click on content, and then you select the video that you would like to cut out certain parts. For instance, let's select this particular one. When I select this is my video. I'm going to go right at the left hand side and select editor. Once I have clicked on that editor, this interface will occur, and then this is my video, and this is a trim code that I'm going to click. In this place, we have the whole video. The whole video is stipulated here, and if you want, you can make it to be bolder, and you can see it. You can also use this to see your video more, or to see it the time frame. And here you have actually the waveform of everything you have said. Now, if you zoom this out, you're going to discover that, let's just zoom it this way. I discover that there is a space here when we are playing this video, for instance. Okay, here, for instance, this particular portion, you discover that there is this space between this place and this place. Maybe that is what I want to cut off. What I'm going to do is simply to click here. The first time I'm clicking here is selecting the whole video. I'm going to click it for the second time here now, the new cut. And then this new cut, with this, I'm going to select the portion that I want to remove. For instance, if it is this particular portion that I want to remove, I click on it and then OK it. Once it is black this way, then I have selected that part. If I'm not sure, I'm going to use this slide to make sure that I select the portion I want. Make use of this edit here to be able to get exact portion. And make sure always that you replay the video so that you'll be able to know actually whether it is the particular portion you want. The whole screen here. Let's say, for instance, here, after here, you're going to continue from this place. So now after is that cutting off this. If we OK this, it's going to make it black. In this way, if I want to make another portion, I'm going to go up again and click on New Cut. From New Cut, I can select another portion of it that I want. Use the slide to make it a bit smaller and then be able to select the portion. This comes in handy, especially where we have a particular portion where there is a space that you don't want to be there. I'm going to OK this one. For instance, here, with my cursor here, I'm going to make it bolder to be able to select this particular portion. This particular portion, for instance, if I don't want it to be there, I'm going to click again on New Cut. And with the New Cut, I'm going to select the beginning, and then you can also use the slide here to select it. And then you'll be able to slide and find your way. Okay, so with this, make sure that it sits nicely. I'm going to use this slide to make sure that I select the exact place I need. So, if I'm okay with this, the next thing I'm going to do is to OK it. So, if we reduce this now, we can see where we have selected all the places we want to edit. You can see this particular portion, and this portion. If we are okay with this and we have checked we want to save this, we can now click on Save. It's going to ask you to acknowledge this, and once you confirm this change, you can no longer change it. It will be a permanent change which you cannot undo the next time. So make sure that before you click on this and then click on confirm changes, that you have made all the corrections, and make sure that the particular place you are clicking is actually where you want to click. If you are okay with this, then okay. For my own, I don't want, this is just an example. I would not like to do that. But this is exactly how you do that. I believe you have learned something with this. And this will help you to be able to do many things and cut out various mistakes that you have made in the past as you are beginning your YouTube journey. If you find this video useful, give it a thumb up and then follow this channel for more. God bless you.